Wow. Ani Bojo Kilauea Mino Gisons. Miigwech Wendam Gibajayek Mom P. Nishnabek Nation Gizo Miziligan Nishna Bemun Kilunan Abigash Minoyayak. So hey everybody, happy December. Surprising that we've already made it to this month. Thank you for coming, here to our Zoom session for Anishinaabeg Nation Keys so Mizinigan phrases. And, I hope everybody is well. Miigwech Wendam Anishinaabe Inigon Widowed, Barbara Nolan, Be Kinomage Yang Nongom. Thank you for joining us today to teach us Barb. Um, we really appreciate everything that you do for the language and that we have the opportunity to spend some time for you. And we look forward to going over these phrases. Ali Darni Indigenous, Kitigan Zibin Don, Dependagos, Nishnabem Wininigan Zikadang Ndao, Mompi and Donjanaki, Anishinaabe Nation. I'm Ali Darnay from Garden River First Nation. I'm the Anishinaabe manager here at the Anishinaabe Nation. The Anishinaabe Nation established the Anishinaabe Department in January of 2023 to support language preservation, reclamation, and revitalization. We also support the work of our language commissioner, Barb Nolan, and the Enkit Majikwi Abzi Tong Anishinaabe Committee. This is a language revitalization advisory committee. So we support their language advocacy and their efforts at reclamation and revitalization. Usually we have my colleague, Laura McLeod-Chabagige joining us, but today I think she's going to be a little bit late. So I will be carrying us on through the next session, which is in Ngurwe Wangizid. We like to begin these webinars with Ngurwe Wangizid and meetings here at the Anishinaabe Nation as well. We'll begin with the preamble to Chinoknagewin, which is the Anishinaabe Nation's constitution. Aha. An gurwe wangised Anishinaabe. Debenchiged Gisan Anishinaabe King, Gibrugwan Garde Manado Watsuin. Shkode Nibe Ake Norin, Gibrigo Stonan, we Nagdo and among Mompi, Shkopmagang. Debenchiged Giminan Getchto and Nago Anishinaaben, Wanagdonjan, Nindanish Kilomarwinan. Saw Gidwin, Debwewin, Manadendamoin, Nabakawan, Dabadendiswin, Gwekwatsuin, Meanwhile Akarewin. The Benchiged Ki Mean Gona Dedbin with Nogdabendaman. Gobna Dendana, Gobishwebak, Meanwhile Nungo Megwajwebak, Meanwhile Giabewan Ishwebak. Miigwech. As mentioned, this is the preamble to the Anishinaabe Nation Constitution, which is adopted by Grand Council in June of 2011. It was also developed with input and from the UCCMM and head gets it Shikamba. Of course, you're joining us today for a webinar related to the Anishinaabe Nation Gizom Zinigan. It's available online and in print. It gets distributed to the 39 First Nations and to urban centers as well, to citizens and members of the Anishinaabe Nation. It's a great resource for accessing additional Anishinaabe websites, initiatives, programs, podcasts. There's a lot of information in there. We're getting ready to go to print on our 2026 calendar and really looking forward to sharing some of these new phrases in the new year. All right. Gichi Nanda Monpiat, Barbara Nolan. I'm happy Barbara's here. Miigwech for sharing Minido Gizazo's Little Spirit December phrases. Barb, as many of us know, is a vibrant first language speaker. She's grateful to have survived Canada's attempts at assimilation in Indian residential school and their efforts to take her language from her. She's spent several decades working with lots of organizations on revitalization for Ojibwe and Odawa languages. A very passionate storyteller. She's also been acknowledged by the city of Sault Ste. Marie and was presented with the Medal of Merit Award for all the work that she does. In 2020, she was appointed the language commissioner here at the Anishinaabeg Nation. So she is our Anishinaabemowin Éine Onwidode. She also spends time at the Garden River Daycare Center and as an elder cultural advisor at Sioux College. Barbara's a super busy lady. We're really happy that we get to work alongside with her. She is a proud Anishinaabe Quay, formerly from Wakamekong Unceded Reserve, who now resides in Garden River First Nation. So super happy to have you here and Chubutch for everything that you do. And I'm going to turn over to you now, Barb.
Which? Now, Anishna Kenawaya Nangwa Nishet Kenawaya Menoya Kenigo Menoya Chunagi Chisel Pojeba Mumpi Bakting. Ooh, Nibna Gon. Zeges Mebsochiga. Ich bin Ote Nangsha, Katish Ote Nang Deshasi. Nangoigo Nakshik Nisha. Ote Nang. Updek daycare Enkitagejik Manchidok. Nisho Bigage Megia Gia. Again English to sin Nikiage Goishia. Na how get them Nangoman Pewi Dokasia. Manda Nidogi Sons Kidwinan we wam the meg. Minoa we kjetoek we kidiek geginoa. Na how Mandashkin tamesh bigadek. Nui agamosse. Mi manda shagna shi kidwing kidden edming. Nui agamosse. Ich bin gege tugunawi kidian we and sigishka. Oh, Nui agamosse. You and a king. Nui agamosse. Mi de squeechkia we gwetchmat, manda equinishing as bigadek. Qui agamosena. Qui agamosena. Qui agamosena. Qui agamosena. So, abdequi ket mamwe. Qui agamosena. Ambe. Now, Bucking again. Now, equin sing. Manda de ske kedwen gerago manda ni gden neo. Baba ma gemoseda. Biba ma beka. Biba Biba gemoseda. Gaisre M dabisi. Maba na apostrophe dayaje. Miwe. Baba agamoseda. Baba agamoseda. Aha, mi sawene miwe miwech. Aha, equiniwing is bigadek. Nigi bokwag me Ginagua. Gibo kwag me Ginagua. Bokwag me. Gibo kwag me Ginagua. Beskugna gego bokska. Bokska. Nadrun dogdeket gaigego shonya son on bokska. Mage nadrun donkedam bikska. Manda shwigwa ni gibo kwag me. Kedego mamwe. Agmak. Kwamdan bok miwe bokska kego agmak mige agmak. Ginagwa. Gibo kwagma gime. Gibo kwagme ginagwa. Na how? Naning Gda agame ke gispin bo kwagme yed. Gda agame ke gispin bo kwagme yed. Gispin spiga deswe. Gda agame ke china an konen agaman. Now chiga so agamak. Gda agamak abdegwi now eke bibik skat. Na how? Gda agame ke. Na how? Gda agame ke gispin bo Samuel Gda agama ke gispin bo kwagme. Na how? Gda ching es bigadeg. Bitagmen. Kiga bema gime min. Beka. Kiga bema gime min. Kibeba kiga miwe ka. Now stop. Ka. Bitagmen. Bishkugna biskan. Biskan gdagamak. Miwe bitagmen. Bishkugna kisnan wi biskaman narundong gdeket. Gabit kisne. Gabit kisne. Apish biskad en makasid. Binche ing tem gatwe beshiget the kidwin. Gabit kisne. Mishmandage nasa. Bitagmen. 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 Bemagme min. Mimanda min dialect. Min dialect. Genin daket. Bemagme me. Narundong min kidok on it. Aha, mi gwech nishwaswe. Niwi we bana bi pi gashkading. Niwi we bana bi miwe we bana bi ga Niwi we bana bi pi gashkading gashkading. Bishkogna mshkoding genin daket. Bim mshkoding mshkoding. Bim mandam bish mshkoding. Miwe pi waba we bna bit maba. Na how? Engachka ningeni gigdian deket negachka. Kan genin dinwe pish maba gashe biang manda. Engach kidok anen mi neshen go we mage anent kidok nengach go nengach. Aha. Binochia coaching shot na mem tige go manda skisok pok. Binochia go de bamwan nen gonan. Gawin gi mo sigon nin gawin gi mo sigon. Daswe nui baba mag mose. Kui bashana nui baba mag mose. Nui baba mag mose. Mission oshme di kenda no oje kedia. Nui baba agamose. Nui baba agamose. Kui bashana. Das was shibeshik. Gon ka. Gatashi ke endaya. Gatashi ke endaya. Enda anent kedok enda. A god ka. Gatashi ke enda. Wetch. Naha, das was shinish. Nui na ba apin Nui na ba apin nawa kwe magak. Pina kwe magak. Ni ninge ni nit nito nishnabem denendam ni noin panes nishnabem ya. Ikinda siya darshni egawon dos na gesko abdeg wen nini gnom da wanish mande ekidi magak abdeg ninenda midashreni enche beska naha nuin na ba api na kwe magak to zamui ba awon we naha dasu shin swe nin ge kach kan mat o nin ge kach nin ge kach kan mak ge kach kan mak dasu shiniwen ngagi shukni jibwa saga da kushna ninga gishokni jibwa saga da kushna anint kedok jibwa zag jitma migo na sap jibwa zag jitma aha ninga gishokni na sap jibwa zaga da kushna na hao Zagda Kushna. Zagda Kushna. Aha. Dasu shinanen. Gi uzamegi shoknie. Ost. Mandat no boyan. Ja veje gaguita. Mino veje biscorans. Mishminok chbiscor. Zamni bena. Gizame ijokniedash. Aha, gdyż czekamy kunad gondongwe. Dasu shingodwaswe. Gwibin dakunin. Gwibin dakunin. Patrzę na wuja seman bosi, już tu dybe. Naham, dasu shinishwaswe. Gabsin damen megwa atsokei. Ningabsin damen megwa atsokei. Naha. Wuja idegwa dbachmat. Dasu shinshwaswe. Ndatsokemen bebong. Ninda desokemen bebong. Ninge niindikit datsokeme bebong. Iko nasap. Nimanda ni min dialect. Ninda nin a desokemen bebong. Nikwech. Dasu shishangswe. Nimshak. Owikdabanan. Joshkudaban. Naha. Ali. Joshkudabanan. A-N squatch. Nimshak. Owikdabana. Owikdaban. Danawan. Wikdabanan. Wikdabanaan. Joshkudabanan. Naha. Beka. Owikdabanaan. zamni bana da ba kaiwaya da besi da ekunijing o week da ba na an week da ba na mi so en geston wigen ma o week da ba na an shoshku da ba nan nishtana Gebed bon makwak ne bawak. Gebed bon. Begish nage ni makwa awyamba. Makwa wi gundo deb. Begish tashnage ni bamba gebed bon. Nahau nishtana shebejik. Migo shgo ushmeg beng. Jinigi shgak. We baga. December nishtana shebejik. Pi tsognog zit. Migo shgo ushmeg beng. Jinigi shgak. Noi bendam we shoya bak whippy. Kinwadash. Oh, where you go weekend, Laurie?
I wanted to ask you about number 19, Barb. I'm wondering why the sled is plural when
it's not plural.
It's not plural? Okay.
It is we have these the verbs, the VTAs, they're called. Okay, wikdabanaan. They are pulling this sled. Okay, what are they pulling? They're pulling the sled. It answers that question. What are they pulling? They're pulling the sled. So it's in the third person plural because you're talking about the nimshak. Nimshak. Wikdabanan. Joshkudabanan. If you say nin, nuikdabana, joshkudaban. There, the an, it's only in the third person, singular and plural. Okay? Answer your question?
Miigwech.
Okay. Hausa. Nishtana. Oh, je m'en ngikit. Gebeb bon. Makwak nebawak. Nishtana shabejik. Migosh go ushmeg bang. Jinigi shakak. And we bend them. Eshkam go nango ninak shego tanu e migu nano de bognek mi jasho de bekak on in the na. Miguetch, baking again. We bebon she o kiwezi o de jawa nong. We bebon she o kiwezi zi o de jawa nong. Gdasa ishpit with the gunenda. We bebon she o kiwezi o de jawa nong. Aha. Nzaga. Nzaga no kezi. Ali? Nzaga no okezi. Nzaga.
Again?
I wish okezi ya se wasagak. Abdegi tika bandomak. Kando makezi. Naha, nishta na shaniwin. Niba anamam. Miwe Israel bagwa the niba namam. Kenda na naman the kidwin. Niba anamam. Ang kashibige, mampi. Niba, oh, ay mam. Niba Ni ba. Ich bin man de morskin kedwin. We should be man. Okay, I'm on the morskin kedwin. Also no. Kegushin the temper. Ni ba. Ni ba de bik. Ni ba de bik. Ni ba de bik. P de bik kak. Ishkognam das de bugnek. Apta de bik kak. Nishkwap ta de bik kak. Me wed ni ba de bik. Ni ba de bik ginun doa makwa. Mage ni ba de bik ginun doa. Maing ganak. Maing ganak ginun doa. Mage ginun dan ni ba de bik. Dashk set makum. Kum. Not one don gnun doa kum. Mi man da ni ba de bik. Man da schwet da den kas na. Aha, when is bak ni ba de bik. Ni ba anna mam. Na mam. Okay, man da dash ni ba anna mam. Nama mi we ganama. Ni ma ba. Nama. Ni ba de bik. Ni ba namam. Ni man de ish chigea. Ni ba de bik. Long ago, they used to have midnight mass on Christmas Eve. And they still do in quite a few of our churches. Okay? And they start maybe about 10 o'clock. And then they have, and then right till midnight and after midnight. Okay. And there's still some prayerful people in our First Nations, and we don't have anything against them, but it's good. We used to go to the church every Christmas Eve. During the day on Christmas Eve day, we would be made to go to sleep like about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And we were made to sleep till maybe 5 because we're going to be up right till past midnight. They used to have low mass and high mass. And we'd be singing there, and my dad would be playing the organ. Yeah, it was very good memories I have. Now, ni ba na mom. Ni gwach. Now, I hope you guys don't mind me sharing things like that, but that's how I grew up. It's good to share. Now,
those are good memories.
Aha. Mina ni ba naman. Gishpin basic wetagnonet. Gishpin weekend ya ali mino lori no ni ba namak. Basic etta ni ba naman ali. Mino ni ba naman. Ali minor mer minor lori. Ali minor lori. Mino ni ba namak. Miwe. Lori. Mino ni ba namak. Nishtana shingodwaswe. Nagishagat ken. Miko geishan da nasa. Gishpin nish gnondwa. Nagishagat kek. Nagishagat ken. Bejagat to go gnonat. Bej Ali. Nagishagat ken. Ali mino lori. Nagishagat kek. We can make one up pane. Ni. Wanish genonat. Bejik. Magenish. Oh, mna ya. Apchugna mna ya. Nichkien. Mna ya okay zi. Apisho okay zi Ali. Minayawa Casey. Aha. No bemate se. Mena bemate se. Niște naște șansue. Ne wap minago se. Ne wap minago se. Nar gon dong oya up chugo akusina go se na. Ma minoni I enazat. Ke gago wabingwe kdakedam. Ni gispina ko sit ko yana kenda gotgo mi desh manda chikkidi no no up minna go sa samdana kmeno up minna gos ni go ge wena sap na ha samdana shbejek we nim kudadim mi manda ni ba namang niksha nim kudadin kogajich January 31st anishnik gishga don January niksha December samdana shbejik p mi dashna parabekak mi kanagoyam daswe shangswe traswe nijwaswe godoswe nanan newid niswe nish bejek mi dashmina non dagziek nishwege kidia nim kodadem mi mande eschegek nim kodadem kanagoya mage gdozgin jindem ha bojo kenagoya ba nim kage miwe kedan kedagoya en kwesh kot kada nim koa ani bojo nim kodadem na haun samdana shinish gego na kwigwechem goya na gego wigwedwe da shibige ode en jishibigeng ni weno de tenon aha wenish zagakis Parisian casa Lori Kesi gosh kinwe Alison Talbot on the game which it scale ni ma ba ode me watch Terry King Gavin na guya gego week where
we do have some extra time today, and so if people would like to ask questions of Barb, this is a great opportunity. Barb, if there's other things you want to share with us, feel free. I can stop doing the screen share and you can chat with us a little bit more about this time of year. I see somebody saying they like to see happy faces opening gifts.
Benochiak sakabijgat. Up to now any Moshkanesh Kagwan. Moshkanesh Kagwan, Wapmagwa, Benochiak sakabijgat. Oh, Gibasha Santa Claus kedok, up to de buen de mok undak Benochiak. De buen and the mok. Mida shweni economado netem gakna. Nargondong zam ni bna gmina nanik benochiak. Nangwa. Ni bnage o gishnachgate. Ni dash dashigam. Ni igda nadmoak benochiak. We jitoat gego. Wa migwat. Mage takshkegwasok. Mage gego sugodashituna wa minat goya. Ushmek chipiten dagot is chigadek migwing. Nowadays, there's too much commercialization to our Christmas, too much. There's parents that go beyond their means
Mm.
to buy things for their kids. There's no need for that. The kids already have a lot, and I think we should encourage our kids to make things instead, to give at Christmas time. You could teach them to knit in October. They could knit a hat. They could knit those dishcloths. They're easy to make. My boys, I have twin boys, and I was knitting one time, and they said, "Mom, can you teach us how to knit?" And 7 years old, eh? I said, "Sure, Ambe." So I taught them how to knit and purl. This is a knit stitch, and then that's a purl stitch. You go backwards, eh? Or the opposite way. And so I taught them to knit, and they just knit and knit and knit. It was getting really long. So I said, "Oh, more." And we made it into a scarf. Oh, they were so happy to be giving that to somebody, something that they made. So I think even painting, let them paint something. So like it means more to somebody, like grandparents probably, to get something that they made. Now there's all kinds of crafts out there. You can put their hands in paint, and then have paint put their hands on a piece of paper. Okay, and now there's their hand there, and you can make all kinds. You can turn it into the red-nosed reindeer. You can turn it into just about anything. Your handprint, and it's the kids' handprints that you would do, and then show them how to make that. And the grandparents would be just so happy to get that handprint all decorated up into a picture. So I think there's too much commercialization into Christmas nowadays. There's people that can't afford what they would like to give their kids, and so something made or baked, even bake cookies or something, and then that's what you give out. I just wanted to say that I've seen changes over the years. When I was growing up, Geni, Bejik Tangideb Nana, Minwewans, Bejik. We used to get just one gift, and I remember one time I got a little violin. Oh, that meant the world to me, that little violin I got. And I started playing that little violin, and then my brother would teach me how. My brother James, his name was James. James didn't speak English, and he moved to Toronto to stay with his daughter, and was living in Toronto. Imagine a fluent person trying to look for a place or a street, and but he never got lost in Toronto. He always found his way back to his daughter's place. So I got to give him credit. He knew very little bit of English, Yeah, I remember him fondly. All my brothers and all my sisters, I remembered them fondly. Okay, Miigwech Barb. What did it say before that?
So I've got somebody who wants to know how to say winter solstice.
Well, you're asking the wrong person, because I don't know, Becca.
And people have asked Isidore too, like we've had this one come up in language class with Isidore, and generally he just says winter. Lori, there's been another time too where I think we've tried to combine something like the season is changing.
Yeah.
On.
Huh?
It would start with the changing of the season, but it started with Ange.
Yeah, I can't remember the rest. I can't remember the rest of it.
I just saw a word for season the other day, and it started with Kiwin something. Solstice. Ganda am dan manda solstice. Ganda am dan Becca.
All right, she's working it out. This is how it goes. Sometimes people want to know how to say these things in Anishinaabe, and then it has to get sorted. How would we say that? So Barb's working on that one. And we also have, um, so somebody was saying, how would you say back to our old ways? Back to our old ways. That's another request. So we'll keep that one for Barb in another minute when she sorts out solstice.
the solstice test no.
So somebody wrote this. I think winter solstice may translate to Wabano Mi Khan, like the sun is returning from the eastern direction, and that path of spiritual doorway returns from the winter maker.
Okay, let me
Hmm.
winter solstice may translate to Wabano Mikan. You could. Like the sun is returning from the eastern direction, and that path of spiritual doorway returns from the winter maker. It could be.
When we were doing the summer solstice, Isidore had shared with us that he uses Majinibin
Majinib, and it's beginning to be summer. Yeah.
for summer
Winter
solstice.
solstice, it could be Maji Babod. You can use that Maji Babod. It's starting to be winter. And that is when there's two solstices, eh? And then what are the other two called?
Equinox, right?
Equinox, yeah.
Maji. You said Maji Bibun.
Maji Babon. Babon.
Maji Bih, not Bih, Bibun.
Maji Babon.
I just put it in the chat for people.
Okay.
Maji Bibun would be the start of winter.
Liz,
okay, and then so somebody was saying back to old ways. Back to, how would you say back to our old ways?
Skabida. Gaje. Gajibamadzing. Ko. You have to put the ko there because you're saying how it used to be. Okay. That's not talking about we should start dressing old. You know what I mean? But it's the way we are. That's what we're talking about. Like our values and beliefs, those things we need to get back. Okay, so Ka Bi Da. Let's return. Skabida. You can use that. Maybe you're on the boat in the water way far over there, and you say, "Hey, I'm Beb Skabida. Let's return." Okay, you can use it in any context, whatever context. But if you're going to say, "Let's go back," okay, Skabida. This is the past tense. Skabida. Je. Bimadziyam. Bimadziyam. How we used to live. Ko. You have to put the ko in there because it's the used to be. Okay. Skabida. You can put that ko over here. Get it at the end. Skabida ko gajibimadziyam. Let's return back to how we used to live. Okay, not saying that we're going to go back to our wood stove and all that, because there's lots of work to do if you want to have a wood stove, but to the old ways, like we used to visit. I find that so, like it's gone, the visiting. And then if you want to go visit somebody, they think you're there for a reason. I went to visit a friend of mine one time, and so I walked in, "Oh, what you doing?" And I see he's got a pile of clothes here and a pile of clothes over there. "Oh, I'm saying to him, eh? But here he thought I came to get something, you know, and now I just come for a cup of tea, you know. So we have to get back to that. There's so many families now that are um, um, apart from their kids, even their grown-up kids, you know. That's one thing that I find we need to get back. I'm going to go and visit somebody. I'm going to go to May Mills and visit my friend over there, or I'm going to go and visit my sisters that are 4 hours away, or I'm going to visit my next door neighbor. I haven't seen her for like 5 years and she just lives next door. Shame on me. You know, so I think that's one thing I find that is missing in our communities. Like, I know my community, you know, I don't know about anybody else's, but I find that is so missing, you know, from our communities. Miigwech for listening. Aha. Jordan Tababadang. Manish Maba Jordan Ekada. Ekada. I do think of the solstices as the longest day and the summer solstice. Oh, the longest day is the summer solstice. And the winter solstice is the shortest day. And equinoxes as when the day and night are equal to each other. Oh yeah, that's right too. Yeah, they're equal in length. How long of a day or how long of a night it is. Yeah. Ah, well, that's some work some people have to do, researchers, you could find out words for these. Yeah.
I see Lori put something in there too about Nipissing's.
Yeah. Gnaagi Shagat, the longest day. That's the summer solstice. Gnaagi Shagat. Yeah, you could say that. It describes the day.
Long day,
It's
right?
just like Gnaak do ne. She's got a long mouth because she's pointing all the time with her lips. Ah, okay. Anybody else have any questions, any comments? I welcome them. Where's everybody
And
from? Tell me.
all right, so let's share in the chat where people are joining from, so Barb can get a sense of who's visiting today.
Are they? Can I see them online? Can you?
I can, so if you click on participants, like on your side, you should be able to see a little area that says participants, and then you'll see their names. We don't have their cameras activated. I
Well, there's
know.
a lot of them. First, Minnesota, Montreal, Staha, Wikwemkong, Lorraine Fox, Stahani Lorraine, Kedronang. I was just there not too long ago. London, Ontario. Hey, we're having the language conference in London. Bemidji. Oh, I went there one time too. I took my sister over there. She went to speak at a nursing conference. Manistee, a Little River Band. Wiki, but it lives in Timmins. Ah, Busho. Beausoleil and Don Jaba. Terry King, Ani Terry. Temis kaming de bendagos, njik kaning Don Jaba, nibis singing daya. Ule. Redcliffe Ojibwe, Ani Kinawaya. Oh, nishin. Wamin gok enjabaek. Pchugnabati nok. Teka, što dengan jemaat Zaga. Ja, teka. Good leather mitts. Dan Tazerson.
That's what we were talking about. Presents. We're talking about one good or homemade things.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I got good patterns to make them. How do you say? Oh, back to the old ways. We did that.
Yeah.
Liz Carter. Wow, Becky, je m'abandap sinda kida.
Okay, so I have a request. I have a request because I love it when you tell us stories and when you demonstrate your immersion teaching. You know,
Okay.
when you draw us little pictures and you tell us a little story. And so, since we have a few minutes here, I'm wondering, can you share a little story with us? It could be, you know, about your childhood winter adventures and draw us a little picture. We'll watch you. We'll watch you.
I got lots of childhood. You want me to be here all night?
But we have at least 10 minutes and you know we can actually go longer because we didn't have extra sentences. Usually we have, you know, another 20 sentences. Oh,
Gundam Quendan, a big tigong don jaba bakting de da Alison Talbot. Annie Allison. Big tigong.
I see Bernice Trudeau's in here too, even though she's not chatting away. Annie Bernice.
Oh, we mama Bernice. Annie Bernice. Na how gawi ko ton sa Becca. Na du kon dong de batchma tage an nin. De batchma tage an. Sin chignak doshi ta. Wina kasyam sin chignak. Kada shingi kan sin nang wamam pi. Shingi na to open doma. Sin chignak kon dog wana kasyanik. Kada shkuyan dosi. Na ha. Gawi ko ton we the batchma ton in gok. Manda the batchmoas. Na ha. Godinge Meusha, hundak mapigi ook okanak. Maba, apchuko maba mishse. Mishse maba. Den lego na bach misha digen an dinenda. Wapshke zok ta shkundak. Wapshke zok. Manda nasok. Wapshke zok. Wapshke zok. Nandish maba gion. Na maba mashtanish maba. Mashtanish. Apchuko gunda gimish minnigisok. Gimish minnigisok. Benochi sandish maba gion. Apchuko giga shiem maba. Mashtan chance. Mashtan sense. Manda tish basic cut. Manda basic cut. Basic with the what? Basic with cut. Kimada chgidne. I when ik skitto sin whip moset. Maba bibis. Maba benochi. Mashtan chance. Ning the shko. Wunda ganin mashtan shak. Ega shijek. Guy nandan giwi do kwasiat. Takobaba mashtan chance mbudeuse. My mind put the shaman. Guy go ya nuichke. Keda. Nida shingwating maba. Mashtan. Inundan. Waya ge windadze. Waya. Kena waya the bachma. Mampi wesi king. Kena wun pi wesi akyao. Na bishik kok. Ek da check. Minog yabe anen wesiak. Kenage ote wishaok. Mampi ote naskitedek. Gette we go main gonna gitte non. Mites yamava. Nangons. Chinangong ote. Spemeng yatik. Kenago yagin doa mannen nangons. Oh, kedoksa. Where there was ma. Mites genen one of the cornage. Mavan nangons. Udikyaja. Eshkam goasa. Mishwanda quesia kote esha. Nopnanad nen nangon. Nopnanad. Kabak pige git ko snok ode. Mampi. Mavan nangons ode inog besa. Mites gem ode wasage. Wasage ode. Mampi temgak. Gete we guap. Gete o kanamek. Jak te skin shake dat genak. Kiat genak. Kita ook. Beshikke. Moe. Beshikke gen shake ja. Mi no go on en gabe mastansje. Mi te smaba mastansje. Skaga stod maba wip mosset. Nee, gaach masse. Ik kom maar gasje. Ambe de namen. We machi nanote. Mava ki nog bezat ote mava nangos. Mi de shige mava. Eg ashiet. Masset. Masset ote gaga stod. Mi de shige ote gito ko snort kondak. Nou, middersmanda is nou ook schreeuwende. Hoe kan ik dat mekmanda? Mishanda yaad kena. Wesiak. Ukanak. Bishikok. Beshkushi. Mashtan. Kenogna wandak aan jou kote. Midderswanda kote. Ide to snor. Ide to snor kote. Middershodige wap maat. Nandan kwewan. Aptige mabag no big dinne manda paska. Kwe gya oden matbe. Mino anne. Ninne ge oden matbe. Man Peters. Mama wing. Ni gen shet temagat. Bit no jeans to skin shreya. Bit no jeans. Bit no jeans skin shreya. Mampi. Ni de shkundak yache. Apachige go kchimwe. O bit no jeans. Kchimwe. Ni de shmaba kwe. Yi wap man. Nandad. Maba mashtabshes. Yi wap man ode. Mampi na ni buyo kwanda. Mampi. Abeka. Nani buya ode. Beka. Ni gen ode kwandak. Ibet ko shno kwandak mashtanish. Binonen binotinsak. Bayache. Mashta. Ja, op de schen shwe. Shkwandeming. Ni de shmaba kwe. Ja, aber gen shwe nan maba de spinotis chibwe. Ni de schen maba de ginabet. Ki wap man nan de mashtachesa. Aptiem aber mastad chance snugase weep maset. Man the beige quit man the cat guy nishes no. Man the cat. You see the wood maba. Eshkam ya wood beige when the shaw. When the eshkam ya wood beige shaw. We all mat then the no chance. Then that. Niet eens geen maar qua odegi nabe. Maar bejan. De naam jenende. Dan dat mastan chance. Is de geen maar mastan chance. Ut ne kya gisha. Man pi. Dan dat benochi sen you op man. Oh, nen dem geen maar mastan chance. Es snage na tru benochi skedage. Naha, miškuše mabagi jat mastat šes. Veša godenen janet. Kiki žuči škod jenet. Zab mabe benočinski pingeče. Selam gat. Mideş mabe mastat šes utiki šat. Ju kižu ko, ju gižuči škod jenet. Nandat. Mabe mastat šes. Otigisha. Yogi Joji squad again and with no chance. Nigem aber mustache skажече. Nigem otigisha. Nigem otigishin. Nigem aber with no chance. Kaya be moisi. Nigem aber with no chance kimachi nabat. No cheese. Maar mashtad chance stregi. Mi gen wegen goting gashrep kippa. Kikenda na de schwippi. Kikenda na whippy. Ni ba na mang. Mi we gashrep kien. Maar mashtad chance. Ki jato de giwap mat nen. Geshem niton son. Na how?
Rich.
Wil je dat go week wet man the batch moed? Anybody want to comment on my little story?
Yeah, if you'd like to use your microphone, you can raise your hand and we'll get that enabled for you. Or you can type something in the chat. That was awesome. I always love listening to you tell stories and try and follow along. And I love how you illustrate as you go along and how you really emphasize, different things like the baby crying. Where? Oh, yeah. We have somebody who typed in on Kinotan. On Kinotan.
On Kinotan, they want me to translate my story.
Oh.
Well, how about you tell me? Okay. Who did I talk about when Ershkat Bachmak? Anybody? You can put it in the chat line. Who did I first talk about?
You talked about two sheep, a little one who had a sore leg.
Yeah, the kind of a deformed leg, could not walk. No cheese gone that sit ibanaman. There you go. A mashtan chance Mary Giawan. Yeah, so that nobody wanted to play with him. And that's so true in some of the stories that I've come across, that I've read, when you're trying to get something across to the readers, there's this thing about somebody that's different. different than the normal, okay? Different than the normal. Maybe they have something wrong with their leg. They can tend to be ostracized. They tend to be not included, okay? And so much is, I see so much. I've seen so much. I've lived a lot longer than some of you, and I've been involved in education since 1972. And anyway, so just because you're different doesn't mean you're not a human being. Okay, here in this story, that little Mashtan chest, that little sheep, the lamb, I guess, had a deformed leg. He couldn't walk very good, and although he tried, and nobody wanted to play with him in the yard. He didn't have no friends, so he depended on his mother. And then his mother heard one day, Ginondam, that there was something going to be happening somewhere where that star was going. So there's all these animals, the people that were following that star. They were all following that star to wherever it was going. Okay. Anyway, so they're following the star. And soon they came to the place where that star was shining at this barn. So they went there, and this sheep took his little baby there, but they didn't go right in. They didn't go too close, and the little baby was crying. It was cold. And then the mother of that little baby that's crying looked up, and she saw that little sheep or that lamb with that broken or that deformed leg. And she said, "Come here." That baby was crying. Mabijan. So the lamb went over, and hobbled over there. And it's okay, you can come close. And she's talking to that little lamb. So that little lamb just laid his head down on that baby and kept him warm. Okay? And that little baby accepted that lamb. That's the story. Okay?
Mm.
Yeah. So anyway, Auntie Barb, Lori, what? Minoa kena, what? Kenawaya. Abdek nui ba na nimisen. Oh, somebody said that. They're going to pick up their mom or their sister or Bernice.
Bernice.
Naha. Kawamin minopi. Apajen do mintan the baj muid pi the baj the man. Gego. Oh, Lisbeth Stevens. Apishen ba in Lisbeth. We need to schedule the next session, Kidamabaya Ali. I also have recording of the first session. I'll ask.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. What do you want
That
to
was
say
it.
about that, Ali?
I'll sort that one out.
Okay.
We need to pick a date. It was for
Wikwedong.
oh,
Where's that? Some bay? Wikwedong?
uh,
What bay? Oh, beka. Shelter.
oh,
Oh, Kettle Point. I'm going there in March. Let's be.
mm,
In March. Now. Alrighty. So that's what
okay.
I can do with nothing. I don't even know how to draw, but I try. And this is what like language acquisition is all about, eh? If you understand what I was talking about, you don't have to understand the words, right? What I was talking about over there. Okay, I drew something that kind of looked like a sheep, okay? And the little baby, okay? And then I showed you that that little baby had this little arm that was not very right, okay? And then one time she heard, okay? You don't have to know the words. as long as you get the message. That's the big thing about language acquisition. As long as you get the message, you're getting the message into your language acquisition device. It's going in there. Okay. The more you hear it, the more you hear the language, the more it's going to go in and it'll become full after a while. Then you will speak it.
Mm.
Uh-huh.
Well, Chimagwech Kanuya Gibajoyak. I posted in the chat there that our next webinar will be January the 6th at 4 p.m. with Corinne Bannon and Charlotte Nekowek from Northern Superior Region. And if you have any questions or you want to reach out to Lori and I, you can email us. Those addresses are usually floating around or drop, into the chat now as we wrap things up here. Otherwise, I hope that everybody has a great month, that you enjoy the winter solstice, Maji Babon, and that you enjoy the holidays as we head into that time of year. And always sending our gratitude and love to Barbara Nolan, our Nishnabemwin Anigon Widod. Chimiwech Barb.
Miigwech for giving me the
Gazagan.
opportunity. Yeah.
Mahal.
Uh-huh.
Bama Kanuya.
Aha. Bama minwa. Mwah.